Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to discuss about the IAL P1 paper. Uh, the paper reference code is WMA11/01. So let's start. In question number 1, it has been given that integrate 12x cubed plus 1 by 6 root x minus 3 by 2x to the power 4 dx, giving each term in simplest form. So the solution will be integrate 12x cubed plus 1 by 6 root x minus 3 by 2x to the power 4 dx. When we are trying to integrate it, 12x to the power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus 1 by 6x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1, as root over x is represented as x to the power 1 by 2, which will be x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and minus 3 by 2x to the power minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1 plus c. So the final answer will be 3x to the power 4 plus 1 by 3x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2x to the power minus 3 plus c. So let's move on to question number 2. In this question, you must show all stages of your working. Solutions relying on calculator technology are not acceptable. A curve has equation y equals to 3x to the power 5 plus 4x cubed minus x plus 5. The points and Q lie on the curve. The gradient of the curve at both point P and the point Q is 2. Find the x coordinates of P and Q. So over here, at first we need to copy the question onto our solution part. Y equals to 3x to the power 5 plus 4x cubed minus x plus 5. When we will be differentiating it, it will be 15x to the power 5 minus 1 plus 12x to the power 3 minus 1 minus x to the power 1 minus 1. 15x to the power 4 plus 12x square minus 1. And it is given in the question that the gradient of the curve at both point P and point Q is 2. So when the gradient is 2, the 15x cubed x to the power 4 plus 12x square minus 3 will be 0. Over here, we can take let x square be a, which will be 15a square plus 12a minus 3 equals to 0. So 15a square plus 15a minus 3a minus 3 equals to 0. We just need to do the middle term over here. And there will be two values, a equals to 1.1 by 5 and a equals to minus 1. So x square is a. So x square equals to 1 by 5 and x square equals to minus 1, which is not applicable. So x square equals to 1 by 5, x equals to root over 5 by 5, and the main final answer will be x equals to plus minus 1 by root over 5. So let's move on to question number 3 then. Solve 3 by x greater than 4. In question number 3.2, figure 1 shows the sketch of the curve C and the straight line L. The infinite region R shown shaded in figure 1 lies in the quadrants 2 and 3 and is bounded by C and L only, given that L has a gradient of 3, C has equation y equals to 2x squared minus 50. C and L intersect on the negative x-axis. Use inequalities to define this region R. The solution of 3i, 3 by x greater than 4, 3 should be greater than 4x. So if we take x on both of the sides, it will be 3x greater than 4x squared. So 0 greater than 4x squared minus 3x. We can take x common here, which will be 4x minus 3 less than 0. And inequality will be, and this final answer will be 0 less than x less than 3 by 4. Let's move on to question number 3.2. In 3.2, it's already given that C has the equation y equals to 2x squared minus 50. And the dy by dx of it will be 4x. When gradient is 3, dy by dx will be 3. So you may skip this point as it's not necessary. At negative x-axis, we all know that y equals to 0 at any x-axis also. 0 equals to 2x squared minus 50, 2x squared equals to 50, x equals to plus minus root over 50 by 2, which will be x equals to plus minus 5. As we already know in the question that at where the line cuts, it's minus 5, as because it's in the minus x-axis, so minus negative x-axis, so minus 5. So when x equals to minus 5, y will be equals to 2 into minus 5 whole square minus 50 to be 0. So equation for L for minus 5 comma 0, y2 minus 0 equals to 3x2 minus minus 5, y equals to 3x plus 15. And the inequalities will be for the region R, y greater than 3x plus 15, comma y less than 2x square minus 15, and x less than minus 5. Over here it is minus 5, so x less than minus 5. So then let's move on to question number 4. In question number 4, has been asked in the question that figure 2 shows a sketch of the curve with equation y equals to fx, where fx equals to cos 2x degree, and it has a domain of 0 less than x less than k. The point Q and the point R has got the point Q, and the point R has coordinates k, comma 0, which lie on the curve are shown in figure 2. State the coordinate of Q, the value in part A, 1, state the coordinates of Q, and in A2, the value of K. In question number 4b, given that there are exactly two solutions to the equation, which is cos 2x dt equals to P, in the region 0 less than equals to x less than equals to k, find the range of possible values for P. Okay. Okay, then the solution will be 4a1 will be for the coordinates of Q. It has been given in the question that fx equals to cos 2x degree. Cos 2x degree means it's a shift by 1 by 2 in the x direction. So if we look at the normal y equals to cos theta graph, this is a y equals to cos theta graph, where you can see it cuts at 90 degree at first, then at 270 degree, and it ends at 360 degree. And the range of it is 1 and 1 to minus 1. So when we'll shift it by 1 by 2 in the x direction, so will be 90 into 1 by 2 at this point, and at this point 180 into 1 by 2, and at this point 270 into 1 by 2. So Q will be 180 into 1 by 2, which is 90. So Q coordinates will be, here's a solution of 4a1. Fx equals to cos 2x degree, x will be 180 degree into 1 by 2, x equals to 90 degree. Cos 2x degree, which is a shift by 1 by 2 in the x direction. Coordinates of Q will be 90, comma minus 1. Do not mention degree in the main answer. Mention as Q 90, comma minus 1. In the question, it has been asked for coordinates only, not for degree or any angle. In 4a2, it has been asked to find the value of K. And where is K? K is at R at this point. So at this point, this is 360 degree. So when at this point, it will be around 450 degree. So 450 degree will be shifted by 1 by 2. So 450 into 1 by 2. 450 into 1 by 2 will be 225 degrees. So the K value will be 225 at point R. Given that there are exactly two solutions to the equation cos 2x degree equals to P in the region 0 less than x less than P, find the range of possible values for P. Cos 2x degree equals to P when x equals to 0, P will be cos 2 into 0, P equals to 1. And the range will be minus 1 less than P less than 0. 0 is larger than minus 1. We all know that. So the 4B answer is this. And this is 4A1. You may take a screenshot if you need so. Let's move on to question number 5 right now. In question number 5, it has been asked that the line L1 has equation 3y minus 2x equals to 30. The line L2 passes through the point A, which has coordinates 24, 0 and is perpendicular to L1. Lines L1 and L2 meet at the point P. Find using algebra and showing your working the coordinates of P. L1 has an equation already given in the question 3y minus 2x equals to 30. At point A, it has coordinates 24, 0. Y will be 2x plus 30 by 3, and we can write it as 2 by 3x plus 10, where we already know our equation known as y equals to mx plus c. So m will be 2 by 3. M into 2 by 3 equals to minus 1. For line L2, as it is perpendicular, as for line L2, it is perpendicular to L1. So minus 1 by m will be the gradient, which is minus 3 by 2. Minus 1 divided by 2 by 3 comes minus 3 by 2. And for the equation for line L2 will be y minus 0 equals to minus 3 by 2 into x minus 24. Y equals to minus 3 by 2x plus 36. At point P, minus 3 by 2x plus 36 equals to 2 by 3x plus 10. Minus 3 by 2x minus 2 by 3x equals to 10 minus 36. It will be minus 13 by 6x equals to minus 26, and the x value will be 12. That's the answer for A. Find using algebra and showing your working the coordinates of P when x equals to 12, sorry, 3y minus 12 into 2 equals to 30. So 3y will be 54, y equals to 18, and the coordinates of P will be 12, 18. It has been mentioned to find the coordinates of P, not the x coordinate of P. So we need to state also the y value of P, and it will be 12, 18. Question number 5b has been asked that given that L1 meets the x-axis at point P, find the area of triangle BPA. L1 meets the x-axis at point B. At x-axis, we know that y equals to 0. So at point B, y will be 0. 3y minus 2x equals to 30. If we put y value as 0, so 30 minus 2x equals to 30, minus 2x will be equals to 30, and the x value will be minus 50. So at point B, the coordinates will be minus 15, 0, and we already know the coordinates of P and A. which is 12,18 as stated. B has coordinates 12,18 and in A, it's already mentioned 24,0. The line L2 passes through the point A 24,0. So we just need to make a diagram for this answer of 5B, and we need to state the coordinates of B, P, and A. And the area of BPA will be half into base into height, half into 39 into 18, which will be 351. Area of BPA will be 351. This is the answer of 5B with this also. Okay, then let's move on to question number 6 right now. A curve C has equation y equals to fx, where fx equals to 2x plus 1 into x minus 3 whole square. We need to sketch a graph of C. Show on your graph the coordinates of the points where C cuts or meets the coordinate axis. So the answer of A will be this. Fx equals to 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 3 whole square. At x-axis, we all know y is 0. So 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 3 whole square equals to 0, where the x value will be minus 1. X minus 3 whole square equals to 0. So x equals to minus 1, and another value will be x equals to 3. 3 comma 0. At y-axis, when x equals to 0, y equals to 2 into 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 3 whole square. As x is 0 and y is 18, 0 comma 18 will be another coordinate. And at x minus 3 whole square, we need to use the formula of a square minus 2ab plus b square plus c square, sorry, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square equals to 0, x equals to 3. 3 comma 0 will be another coordinate. This is the answer of question number 6A. At 6b, it has been asked that write fx in the form ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, and d are constants to be found. At question number 6b, fx equals to 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 3 whole square, divided as a square minus 2ab plus b square, which becomes x square minus 6x plus 9. 2x plus 2 into x square minus 6x plus 9. We need to take, if we multiply 2x into x square minus 6x plus 9 plus 2 to x square minus 6x plus 9. 2x cubed minus 12x square plus 18x plus 2x square minus 12x plus 18, which comes 2x cubed minus 10x square plus 6x plus 18. We just need to simplify the answer for getting the main answer. At question number 6C, hence find the equation of the tangent to C at the point where x equals to 1 by 3. Okay, so where x equals to 1 by 3, fx equals to 2x cubed minus 10x squared plus 6x plus 18, we already know from 6b. And the differentiation of it, we can write it as f prime x, which will be 6x squared minus 10 into 2, 20x, 2 minus 1, plus 6 and 18 will be cancelled as a constant. When x equals to 1 by 3, f prime 1 by 3 will be 6 into 1 by 3 whole square minus 20 into 1 by 3 plus 6. F prime 1 by 3 will be 0. When x equals to 1 by 3, y will be 2 into 1 by 3 plus 1. We need to put 1 by 3 into this equation, 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 3 whole square, which will be 2 into 1 by 3 plus 1 into 1 by 3 minus 3 whole square, and the y value will be 512 by 27. And the equation of the tangent to C will be y minus 512 by 27 equals to 0 into x minus 1 by 3, and the y value will be 512 by 27. That's the answer. Let's move on to question number 7. Figure 3 shows the design for a sign at a bird sanctuary. The design consists of a kit OABC joined to a sector OCXA of a circle center O. In the design, OA equals to OC equals to 0.6 meter, AB equals to CB, which is 1.4 meter, CB, and this is AB. Both have the same length. Angle OAB equals to angle OCB equals to 2 radians. This is angle OCB, which is 2 radians, and it's angle OAB, which is also 2 radians. Angle AOC equals to theta radians, AOC, which is theta radians, as shown in figure 3. Making your method clear, show that theta equals to 1.64 radians to 3 SF. So we can take, let x be theta by 2, as the entire thing over here is theta. So we can take it as theta by 2. If we use the formula cos 2 equals to 0.6 square plus 1.4 square minus OV square cos theta formula, which will be minus 0.699 equals to 2.32 minus OV square, and OV value will be 1.73 meter. We can find the OV length by using the cos theta formula over here. And after that, we can use sine 2 by 1.73 equals to sine x by 1.4, and the x value will be 0.824 radians. So if the x value is 0.824 radians, we already know that we had taken x as theta by 2. So theta by 2, so 0.824 will be multiplied by 2, and the theta value will be 1.64 radians, as mentioned in the question to show. And that's the main answer for 7A. In question number 7B, it has been asked, find the perimeter of the sign in meters to two significant figures. The entire perimeter will be this, the part of the sector and the two triangles. We already know arc length as a formula of r theta. And we can find the perimeter as r, we already know. Radius is taken as 0.6. 0.6 into that, and the theta will be for this. The entire circle is 2 pi. So if we multiply 2 pi minus theta, which is 2, and the theta is 1.64. So 2 pi minus 1.64, which will be the angle, and r will be 0.6. So 0.6 into 2 pi minus 1.64 plus 1.4 into 2 for these two sides, 1.4 into 2. And the entire perimeter will be this. And the perimeter value will be 5.6 meter in 2 SF, two significant figures. And question number 7C has been asked to find the area of the sign in meters squared to two significant figures. The area of the sign will, we know that the area of a sector formula is half r squared theta, and the area of a triangle, which is half AB sine theta. And we have two triangles over here. So half, at first we need to half into, we know the radius, which is 0.6 whole square. So half r square into, and the theta is 2 pi minus 1.64, half r squared theta, plus half AB sine theta, the area of a triangle, half into 0.6 into 1.4 into sine 2 into 2. This is a triangle, a single triangle. So we need to multiply with 2 as they both are congruent. So the area will be 1.6 meters square in two significant figures. Okay, let's move on to question number 8 now. Figure 4 shows a sketch of the curve C with equation y equals to 4 plus 12x minus 3x squared. The point M is the maximum turning point on C. In A1, write 4 plus 12x minus 3x squared in the form a plus b into x plus c whole square, where a, b, and c are constants to be found. And in A2, hence or otherwise state the coordinates of M. You just need to do the completing square over here. In A1, 8A1, y equals to 4 plus 12x minus 3x square already given in the question. So minus 3x square plus 12x plus 4. We need to take minus 3 as common and be careful when taking common, as made a silly mistake over here. You may minus 3x square minus 4x, it will be minus, where it is plus, minus 4x plus 4, and x square minus 2 into x into 2. We need to do the completing square over here. Plus 2 square minus 2 square plus 4. Minus 3 into x minus 2 whole square plus 12 plus 4. And minus 3 into x minus 2 whole square plus 16. So the final answer will be 16 minus 3 into x minus 2 whole square. That's the answer. That's the end answer for question number 8A1. In question number 8A2, hence or otherwise state the coordinates of M. At point M, you can see in the graph that point M is the maximum turning point over here. And that when x equals to 2 from question A1, you can find that if x minus 2 whole square equals to 0, it will be x equals to 2, and the y value, y-intercept over here is 16. So x equals to 2 and y equals to 16, and the coordinates of M will be 2, 16. In question number 8B, it has been asked that the line L1 passes through O and M shown in figure 4. A line L2 touches C and is parallel to L1. Find an equation for L2. In question number 8B, you can take gradient of L1 will be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is 16 minus 0, 2 minus 0. And the gradient of L1 will be 8. L2 gradient, as they both are parallel, so L2 gradient will be also be the same. So L2 gradient is 8, and y equals to 8x plus c, and y equals to 4 plus 12x minus 3x squared. And as they both touches, so 8x plus c equals to 4 plus 12x minus 3x squared. 3x squared minus 4x plus c minus 4 will be 0. And we can use the formula b squared minus 4ac equals to 0 over here. Minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 3 into c minus 4 equals to 0. 16 minus 12 into c minus 4 equals to 0. 16 minus 12 c plus 48 equals to 0. And the c value will be 16 by 3. And the c value will be 16 by 3. And the equation for L2 will be y equals to 8x plus 16 by 3. Okay, then move on to question number 9. In this question, you must show all stages of your working. Solutions relying on calculated technology are not acceptable. Figure 5 shows the stage of the curve with equation y equals to fx, where fx equals to root x and x is greater than 0. The point P has coordinates 9, 3, which lies on the curve. It is shown in figure 5. On the next page, there is a copy of figure 5 called diagram 1. On diagram 1, sketch and clearly label the graphs of y equals to f2x and y equals to fx plus 3. f2x means shift by 1 by 2 in the x direction, and fx plus 3 means shift by plus 3 in the y direction. And the graph of f2x and fx plus 3 will be this 4.5, 3, 9, and fx plus 3 will have coordinates 9, 6. Question number 9b, the graph of y equals to f2x means the graph of y equals to f into x plus 3 at the point Q. Show that the x coordinate of Q is the solution of root over x equals to 3 into root over 2 plus 1. At 9b, at meeting point Q, f2x equals to fx plus 3, and f2x, we will take it as root over 2x equals to root over x plus 3. Root over 2x minus root over x will be equals to 3. Root over x, we can take root over x as common over here, which will be root over 2 minus 1 equals to 3. And root over x equals to 3 divided by root over 2 minus 1 into root over 2 plus 1 divided by root over 2 plus 1. A minus b, a plus b, we can write it as a square minus b square. And the main final answer will be root over x equals to 3 into root over 2 plus 1, which has been asked in the question. Root over x equals to root over 3 equals to 3 into root over 2 plus 1. 9b. At question number 9c, hence find in simplest form the coordinates of Q. The graph of y equals to f2x means the graph of y equals to fx plus 3 at point Q. So, it will be at 9c, root over x equals to root 3 root 2 plus 3. we can whole square on both of the sides. Root over x whole square equals to 3 into root over 2 plus 3 whole square. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, 3 root 2 whole square plus 2 into 3 root 2 into 3 plus 3 square. The x value will be 18 plus 18 root 2 plus 9. X value will be 27 plus 18 root 2. And y is root over x will be root over 27 plus 18 root 2, and the coordinates of q will be 27 plus 18 root 2 comma root over 27 plus 18 root 2. Okay, then let's move on to question number 10. Car has equation y equals to fx, where x is greater than 0, given that f prime x equals to ax minus 12x to the power 1 by 3, where a is a constant. F double prime x equals to 0 when x equals to 27, and the curve passes through the point 1 comma minus 8. Find the value of a in a part and hence find fx in b part. In a part, if we take, it's already given y equals to fx, so f prime x equals to ax minus 12x to the power 1 by 3, ax to the power 1 minus 1 minus 4x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. We take f double prime x as 0, a minus 4x to the power minus 2 by 3. When x equals to 27, 0 equals to a minus 4, 27 to the power minus 2 by 3, and the a value will be 4 by 9 in part A. In part B, it has been asked to find fx. For finding fx, we need to integrate f prime x. And f prime x equals to 4 by 9x minus 12x to the power 1 by 3. If we integrate f prime x, 4 by 9x 1 to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 minus 12x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1. And you need to state plus c at the end. Fx equals to 2 by 9x square minus 9x to the power 4 by 3 plus c. We can use the coordinates 1 comma minus 8 over here to find fx. Minus 8 equals to 2 by 9x square minus 9x to the power 4 by 3 plus c. And the c value will be 7 by 9. At the end, we can write the main answer as fx equals to 2 by 9x square minus 9x to the power 4 by 3 plus 7 by 9. This is the part question number 10b, and that's the end of this paper probably. Thank you everyone for spending your valuable time for me, and please subscribe my channel for getting new notifications. Thank you.